Hey there, it's One Click Lindsey with trafficandleads.com, and today I'm going to share with you a very super secret, I know I have to whisper, okay? A super secret strategy on how I fill my group programs, get more clients, and actually make digital marketing work. I know digital marketing may be really frustrating for a lot of people, but this, my friends, is my very top method, and it is called the challenge method. And I run this challenge method probably every 6 weeks in my agency to get new people into my membership program. I'm going to tell you about what it is. So here are the steps. It's pretty simple because it's content marketing like on steroids that actually works pretty well. Okay, so number one, you need a Facebook group. You can use your previous Facebook group or you can create a new one. Doesn't matter either way, as long as your perfect clients, right? Your perfect clients are in that group. Okay, number two, you announce, hey everybody, I'm hosting a challenge. And what is that challenge? It is something small that you can teach over the period of 4 or 5 days, because you're going to basically be going live every single day at the same time over the period of 4 or 5 days. And every single day you're going to give them another little step on how to achieve something, okay? You're not going to pitch for 4 days. You're not going to say anything besides give, give, give. So one of my, just to give you an idea of what my challenges are so you can start getting your brain working, okay? My most popular challenge, the one that brings me in $50,000 paydays, friends, is one called Steal My Funnel Challenge. So essentially, over the period of 5 days, I am walking my perfect customer through an exact funnel that brings me in a fair amount of money every single time I run ads to it. So day one, we're like talking landing pages. Day two, we're talking email sequence. Day three, I share like my Facebook ads, right? And so over those 4 days, I'm giving, giving, giving. Now, also part of the 4 days is you want to give a little bit of homework so that you can get some interaction in the group. So essentially day one is, hey, create a landing page. It should kind of look like this, and then submit your homework, and me and my team will kind of help you work it out. And you can get some really good conversations going. You can get some hot prospects that are trying to do this themselves, all right? So you give, give, give over 4 days, 4 or 5 days. I've run 4 and 5 day challenges. Doesn't matter either way. Then on the last day, you say this, okay? You make your pitch for your product. Now your challenge topic and your product or your service, obviously, it needs to tie in together. But then you make your pitch at the end of 4 or 5 days, and because people have been interacting with you over the last 4 or 5 days, they are chomping at the bit to buy stuff from you. This is called the challenge method, and it's awesome. So essentially on the 5th day, you open the cart, you keep it open for 4 or 5 days while you're still like supporting them over 4 or 5 days. You add some urgency to the cart. You say, we're closing down like on Tuesday night, you'll never be able to buy this again, and people will absolutely buy from you. Now, there are a few nuances to this awesome strategy, but it literally is my #1 go-to strategy for helping my clients and myself to get more clients online and fill up my membership program and fill up their programs and like do all the digital marketing things. So I highly recommend you consider implementing this strategy. So if that interests you, which it should because it totally works, is I invite you to join me in my private and exclusive Facebook group. We're very, very picky about the people that we let in this group because we want it to be very high quality, and we want everyone in the group to have the exact same goal, which is generating more traffic and leads through content marketing and appropriate digital marketing practices, but we want to like put those on steroids and actually get them to work for you. So if you like this tip, you want more tips like this, simply fill out the form below, hit submit, and I'll see you in the Traffic and Leads University.